As I ventured into the enchanting Nandipur forest, I stumbled upon a magical world teeming with life. The thrill of spotting deers gracefully roaming through the underbrush, followed by elephant majestically strolling along the forest path, left me awestruck. And then a stunning peacock suddenly spread its vibrant feather, painting the surrounding with the use of emerald and sapphire. The variety of wildlife and the mesmerizing beauty of nature had me utterly spellbound. Every moment in the forest felt like a dream, with the rustling of leaves, chirping of birds, and a gentle breeze whispering secret in my ear. Nature's wonder never ceased to amaze me, and this encounter has left an incredible mark on my heart.
ये देखा